Hey, friend, I'm so happy you are here. And if you're into AI, this is the right place. It's Deep Dive Friday. Mondays, we cover AI news that not many cover. And Fridays, we dive into one of those topics and go a little bit more in depth. And today, I would like to talk about Switzerland's first open source model. And that's a game changer. It's adding a nice, colorful addition. It's adding another one to the mix from Switzerland. Isn't that awesome? I love it. Do we even have a German model yet? No. We have a French model, which is Mistral, and we now have a Swiss model, which is called Apertus. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. But let's dive into it. About Apertus, EPFL, ETH Zurich, and the Swiss National Supercomputing Center has released Apertus, Switzerland's first large-scale, open, multilingual language model, a milestone in generative AI for transparency and diversity. Trained on 15 trillion tokens across more than 1,000 languages. Aperta serves as a building block for developers and organizations for future applications such as chatbots, translation systems, or educational tools. The model is named Apertus, Latin for open, highlighting its distinctive feature. The entire development process, including its architecture, model weights, and training data and recipes, is openly accessible and fully documented. I will be leaving all the links that we discuss in this video in the description for you guys to check out yourself because there is a full tech report and it is available. And I want to share that with you. If a model is released free to use to the open source community, but the data set is not open, or the weights are not open, then it's not truly open source. So Apertus is a full open source model, which is a huge game changer. Now, let me show you guys where you can play with it. Hugging Face is one of my favorite places when it comes to open source. So, this is a huge open source community, and there are many open source technologies that you can try out here. And one of them is Apertus. So, Apertus has different sizes. We have a 8 billion parameter model, which could probably be used on a device, let's say a mobile phone or, an iPad or other smaller devices. So it is definitely something that you could download on your computer and use with LM Studio, with Olama. It's quite easy to do. And then they have a bigger size, which is a 70B. For that, you're going to need a GPU to run it. But basically, if you want to, you could just grab the 8 billion parameter model and put it onto your computer and start running it. But if you don't want to go through any of that, then you can just try it here. There are a couple of people that have built a space for you to test it out. There you go. It's a good way to figure out if this model is a good fit for your use cases. I'm not sure if you know anything about LM Studio, but it is an awesome application that you can download on your computer. And through this application, you can get access to open source models and you can use them. I have a small model on my computer that I can use through LM Studio. The small model is called White Rabbit Neo. And this model is not as censored as other models. So there is a third way to use this model. You could fine tune it, and then run the model on a cloud compute providers platforms such as Microsoft Azure, Amazon, or Google. And now this is huge because there are companies out there that either want to keep their data private, and this is a way you can do it, or you would want to have an LLM that behaves the way you would like it to. You just have to figure out if fine tuning is for you, because you can also tune a model with custom instructions, and sometimes that is enough. Or giving it a RAG, sometimes that is enough. So you have to see if this makes sense for you and your business. Let's say you want to build an application and you want to use a specific AI, or you want to use a open source AI that is fine-tuned in a certain way, then this would be a possibility. Before we end this video, I would like to give you a little bit more insight. A couple of things that I have gathered online. Comparison to DeepSeek, because, when DeepSeek was announced, another open source model from China, everybody was like, wow, because the capabilities are similar to closed source models. So the release of Apertus is being framed as a deep-seek moment for Switzerland. The focus on ethical data practices, including respecting machine-readable opt-out requests and removing personal data. Its creators aim to provide a trustworthy, sovereign AI foundation for public good, research, and enterprise applications, particularly appealing to organizations needing compliance with regulations like the EU AI Act. This is a cool step because if Apertus creates a model that aligns with laws and regulations, then I think that this is going to be very interesting for businesses, organizations, and companies that need compliance aligned AI. And I think this is the first time we have such an AI, which is super amazing. So this is a huge game changer, and you can use it too, which is really awesome. That's all I got for you today. And make sure to stick around for Monday's AI news coverage. And then we will be back next Friday for our weekly deep dive. And if you want to dive a little bit deeper and understand how you as a digital professional can use AI to accelerate yourself, then what the LLM is for you. This is a monthly print mag created by myself. I am a digital professional and I use AI every day. So check it out. You can get a single copy or you can get a monthly subscription. I want to thank you guys for tuning in today, and we will be back next week. Until then, enjoy the rest of your afternoon and have a wonderful weekend. Peace out.